It's me again. We're ready for our fourth and final strategy, compensation. Woohoo! All right, in order to compensate, you're just kind of trying to balance out numbers. Again, it's all to get us to be able to subtract in our mind and do it quickly. Let's take those numbers that we had before. I think it was 64 and 28. You want to try to get to the nearest 10 because we can do a whole lot better when we subtract by tens. And whatever you do to one number, you're going to do to the other. I'm going to start with the second number again, the number that I'm subtracting, and I'm going to add 2 to that number because 28 plus 2 is going to get me to 30. That's an easy number to subtract when I'm counting by tens. But since I added 2 to this number, I have to compensate or also add 2 to the other number. So 64 plus 2 is now 66. 66 minus 30 is a lot easier to subtract. 66 minus 30 is 36. So 64 minus 28 is also 36. Make sense? Yes? No? Maybe? It's just a way that we're trying to offer that might make subtracting easier for your child. Now, that's when we add to the first number to compensate. But we're not finished. Oh no. You can also add it to your answer instead of to that first number. And this is what that would look like. You would say 64 minus 28 equals, again, you're going to use the second number and get it to number to the nearest 10. We're going to add 2 here. 68 plus 2 is 30. Not 68, 28, sorry. 64 minus 30 equals 34. But because we added 2 here, we have to add 2 to our answer in order to compensate, and we end up with 36. Personally, I think this one makes a lot more sense. It's just up to you. However, it's best for you to quickly, mentally be able to think about numbers and how they relate to each other. Hope that made sense. Thanks.